Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're going to dive into a professional workflow for creating film sequences that are actually visually consistent. We're using a tool called Nano Banana 2 to show you how to stop just making pretty pictures and start thinking like a digital cinematographer. So let's just get right into it. The biggest hurdle in AI storytelling, it's not making one amazing image. Anyone can do that. The real challenge is making 10 or even 100 images that all look like they belong in the same film. You know, like they were shot by the same crew on the same day. It's all about consistency. And the answer, the solution to this whole problem, it starts way before you even think about writing a prompt. Just like in a real movie production, you have to do the prep work first. You've got to build your world, what you can think of as your digital backlot, where all the core pieces of your story are going to live. And here's how you do it. You're basically building a production Bible right inside the asset library. First, you create your cast using multi-angle character sheets with the @ tag. Then you scout your locations with hashtag. You gather all your key props with and you can even prep custom outfits in a separate wardrobe. It's all there before you start shooting. Now, the secret sauce that makes this all work is something the tool calls character DNA. It's this really clever engine that scans images for faces and just locks in their visual identity. That means when you call on your character, you get your character every single time from any angle. It's a game changer. Okay, so you've got your cast, you've got your sets, you've got your props, your digital backlot is built. So what's next? How do you actually establish that unique visual mood for your film? You know, that specific look and feel that makes it yours. Well, this is the part where you get to put on your director of photography hat. It's time to define your film's visual signature, that cinematic language that makes sure every single frame feels like it was shot by the same person, with the same gear and with the same artistic vision. You pull this off with a really powerful feature called the Style Bible. Think of it like your cinematographer's master guide. It's basically a preset where you store all the core visual rules for your project, everything from the camera lens to the color grade. And what's so cool is how practical this is. This isn't just some abstract idea, it's a literal block of text that you copy and paste at the start of every single prompt. The Style Bible sets all those unchanging visual rules, and the action line is the only part you have to change from shot to shot. It's that simple. So, your world is built, your style is defined. Finally, it's time to roll the cameras and actually shoot your scenes. And to do that, the tool gives you some really specific presets that are designed not just for one-off images, but for building entire sequences. Now, out of all these different presets, there's one that really stands out. It is the most powerful tool for guaranteeing perfect shot-to-shot consistency. It's a template that forces you to think like a filmmaker. And it has a pretty memorable name. The constraint sandwich. It's all about how you layer your commands. And here's how it works. It's a really simple 3-part template. First, you anchor your subject. Who is in the shot and where are they? That's step 1. Second, you describe the action, the camera angle, the character's expression, what they're doing. And third, and this is the magic part, you tell the AI to preserve all the existing visual constraints from the previous shot. The lighting, the color, the character's face, all of it. And for just moving the story forward, beat by beat, the next shot preset is going to be your best friend. It's even easier. It just automatically uses your last image as a reference and basically asks you, all right, what happens next? The AI then generates a new shot that feels like a totally natural continuation, keeping all that critical consistency. So once all your shots are generated, you've got to assemble them into a story that actually makes sense. This is post-production, and it happens in a dedicated space called the storyboard canvas. This is where your individual frames finally become a film. And inside this canvas, you can do pretty much everything you'd need to. You can visually arrange all your shots, drag and drop them to change the order, tweak the prompts for each one. You can even see your total runtime. Then, with just one click, you can batch generate the entire sequence and send the whole storyboard right to a video tool to bring it all to life. So here's the main takeaway. By following a real professional workflow, building a production Bible, locking in a style Bible, and using these sequence-aware tools like the constraint sandwich, you're elevating AI image generation. It stops being a random slot machine and becomes true, controllable digital cinematography. When you think about it, this kind of workflow completely changes who can create a visually cohesive film. It just tears down these massive technical and financial barriers that used to exist. And that leaves us with a really exciting question to think about. With these kinds of tools in everyone's hands, what new kinds of stories are we about to see?